You're listening to another AppleViz podcast.
Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Majid and today I'll be explaining to you how to use Eclipse in macOS with VoiceOver. Eclipse is known to be one of the most famous IDEs for Java development, and it's working well in Windows, but in Mac it seems that it's inaccessible. Fortunately, I have found a way while trying to use Eclipse to make it at least accessible for the basic features that you need for coding. What I expect of you before we begin is that you know the basics of using VoiceOver, and you have at least some knowledge of programming, at least for object-oriented programming. And I hope that this explanation will be helpful for you. Okay, after you have downloaded Eclipse and installed it, you make sure that you have downloaded Eclipse for Java developers package, and you may get the window that will help you to configure your workspace, and no problem, you can deal with it because it's fully accessible. But if you did not get it,
projects.
then you'll have to go to the menu bar.
Menu bar, Apple, file. View command option N.
Switch workspace.
Switch workspace. Users match other lists. Eclipse IDE launcher. Eclipse IDE users match browse.
And then select.
Vertical new folder.
Yeah, so it's with the
sidebar.
Okay.
In sidebar. Favorites. Set out. Download. Desktop.
Okay.
Out of sidebar. New folder. In dialog. Untitled folder. New folder. Name. New folder inside. Desktop. Selection replaced. Happy.
Projects. Eclipse project.
New folder. Browse. Launch. Voice memos. Window. Pause. Finder. Eclipse window. Voice memos. Terminal. Safari. Eclipse projects. Eclipse IDE. Terminal. Safari. Finder. Eclipse. Out of welcome.
So when you select the workspace, Eclipse will start.
Interact with the title tab. 1 of 1. Stop interacting with the title. Out of welcome.
So you'll be presented with the welcoming window. So de-interact with it. Open the context menu.
Menu. Close.
Close it.
Close. SWT Package Explorer.
Now we are inside the Java window. De-interact with it as well.
Toolbar.
And
toolbar.
As you notice here that you have many toolbars. Actually, I prefer to hide them because most of the features that they have are also available in the menu bar. And if you want to use them, you use the menu bar. Use the toolbar. You can show the toolbar again. So
toolbar.
I'll go to the menu bar.
Help. Window.
New
window. Editor. Appearance.
Hide
toolbar.
Hide toolbar.
There are no projects in your workspace. Out of Java.
Interact with Java.
Eclipse toolbar.
Okay,
Java.
this is just okay. It's gone now. I have Java. The untitled window I will talk about later.
Toolbar.
And this toolbar.
Java.
That contains
toolbar. Tip of the day.
Tip of the day.
Tip of the day. Out of toolbar. Java.
Okay, let's go to the Java window.
In Java. 4 items. Package Explorer.
I have here the Package Explorer tab,
SWT Composite.
the SW Composite tab, and the Outline tab.
Problems.
The Problems tab.
Package Explorer.
The Package Explorer has all the packages that you have in your project, and also you can use it to navigate between the projects that you have in your workspace and the classes that you have in the package. So it's not just for the packages. It's also, you can use it for everything
SWT Composite
inside your workspace. And the SW Composite shows you all of the currently open files. So the files actually are classes. So the classes can be either from the same project or the same workspace, or they can also be from different workspaces. So you can open a file from GitHub and open another file inside your workspace. So all of them will be shown here. So it's not restricted for your project or for your workspace only.
Outline.
The outline, if you open a class and you don't want to navigate the whole code, you can just use the outline tab to see all the methods or the variables. For example, you can, if you want to like look for a certain method, you can do that here quickly instead of navigating line by line.
Problems.
The problems, if you got errors while running the program, you'll have them. You will not have any suggestions here of to fix the errors that you have while coding, and this will be done by another way. But if you run the program and you got errors, all of them will be shown here.
Out of Java.
So that's it for the Java window. The untitled window here
Blank. Text.
will show you the errors that you have in coding, and you can use it by going to the next and previous annotation, which I will show you on the programming part how to deal with this window.
Out of.
But that's it. Yeah, I mean this is what you get from this window, but you'll know more while coding in the programming part.
Toolbar. In toolbar. Tip of the day.
So
Tip of the day.
this toolbar contains tip of the day.
Out of toolbar.
And the last thing for the Java window, if you want to add more tabs like the console or the debugger, you can do that by going to
Menu bar.
the
Apple.
menu bar,
Help. Window.
window,
Appearance.
appearance,
Toggle full screen command control F. Window. Appearance.
sorry,
Show
not
view.
appearance, show view.
Show view and console. Option command QC.
You have
Decoration. Option command QD. Java doc. Option command QJ. Navigator. Outline. Package. Problems. Progress. Project Explorer.
Yeah, you have them, all of them here. And you can do that simply by clicking on Q command option.
System dialog.
If you click now C or P, C for the console and P for the, yeah, you can get this shortcut.
Show view. Cheat sheets. Show view. Console. Show view. Declaration.
Yeah, I think this is a very helpful thing.
Show view. Error log.
But keep in mind that the console will be auto
Escape.
inserted if you run the program, so you will not have to add it.
Eclipse projects. Eclipse IDE. Window. Package Explorer. Tip of the day.
So I think that's it for this part. And let's move now to the program. Okay, I have just moved the project that I already have to the workspace that I have created from the beginning. But the project needs to be imported to Eclipse now, so I will be importing it by going to File, Menu, then go down to Import.
Import type filter text window. Type filter. Select type filter text. Content selection deleted.
I will select.
Table. Type filter text. Table. Row 3 of 15. Existing projects in table. Archive. General. Expanded.
I will select
Existing type.
the existing project into Workspace Wizard. Actually, it's inside.
Arc. General. Expanded.
It's inside General, so you need to expand General to find it.
Archive file.
There is a wizard for the archive file, so if your file is zipped, so you can select this one, but my file is already unzipped.
Existing project into.
So I'll select the existing project into Workspace.
Out of table. Finish. And next.
So click next.
Import projects. Select users. Browse. Browse.
I'll select Browse.
In dialog. Column view. Vertical splitter. Column view. Double A. Out of column view when item selected. Double A. In column view. Double A. Out of column. Sidebar. In sidebar. Favorites. Expanded. Set. Downloads. Desktop. 1. Documents. 1. Desktop. Outside. Column view. Books. It was language. It was Unified SCP. Browse.
Yes.
Finished. It was projects. Eclipse IDE. Window. Package Explorer.
Okay. Now we have imported the project. And the way that I will be using to switch between the tabs that are inside the Java window is to click VO space on them, and I will be navigating inside the tab by turning off quick nav and using the arrows. So let's take
Heads up outline. Package Explorer.
Package Explorer as an example. To move to the Package Explorer, I'll have to press VO space now. So now I'm on top of the Package Explorer. Logically by VoiceOver, the way that you use VoiceOver is when you stand on top of the thing that it should be selected by default, but in Eclipse it's different. You'll have to press on VO space. So even if you try to interact with it,
In Package Explorer.
you will find nothing.
Out of Package Explorer.
I don't know why, but this is how it works. So I'll turn off quick nav
Table.
and click by the VO space.
Unified ICP.
As you notice, this is the project that I want, so I can expand it by the right arrow.
Row 1 expanded. JRE System Library. JRE 16. Double A.
This is a JRE system library.
Singly. Double A.
And these are two packages, a package called Singly and a package called Doubly. Just to clarify, this is just a normal project that implements the linked list data structure, the famous linked list data structure that everyone knows. So I have just
Singly. Double A. Singly.
to go into the classes. You also need to expand this the package that you want. So I will be using the single linked list. So
Row 4 expanded. Node.java. Singly linked list.java.
yes, now the classes have appeared.
Node.java.
I have node,
Singly linked list.java.
single list.
Student.java.
Okay, I'm not sure why this is here, but if I wanna remove it, I'll have to right click mouse.
Menu.
Yes, you have to right click mouse because the context menu will not work.
New. Open F3. Open type hierarchy. Show command option. Copy qualified name. Paste command. Delete forward delete. Go path.
Yeah,
Delete forward delete.
I'll have to select delete, but I will not do that.
Workspace. Quick nav on.
But this is how you can remove files.
Test.java.
Test2.java. Test.
Singly linked list.zip. Test2.java. Test. Singly linked list. Node.java. Singly linked list.java.
Let's say that I wanna select single list.java class.
Package Singly.
I have clicked on return. Now I'm in the code. I have been moved from the package the package explorer, and I have been moved from the package explorer to the stable composer directly. So when you select any class, it will be moved to the stable composite.
New line. Private node heading. Public class Singly linked list E.
So this
Private node equals null. Private node detail equals null.
these are the fields.
Private size equals 0. Public Singly linked list. Public in size. Return size. Public boolean is empty. Public key first.
Okay, instead of navigating the whole code and moving line by line, I prefer.
WT composite.
I'll have to now just interact with it.
Outline.
Okay. I'm now moving the quick nav is off, but I'm using the VO keys with the arrows. Before that, I wasn't using the VO keys. So just to make you understand the difference.
Outline.
This is the outline.
Table. Row 13.
So now I'm in tab with the outline tab.
Remove last E. Insert middle E. Remove first E. Add last E. Void. Remove first E.
The nice thing here is that the outline stops where starts at the point that you stopped in the code. So for example, you stopped in top of like a function or a variable that you have in the code. The outline will continue from this point.
Add first E. Last E.
Okay, this is the outline. This is the shortcut of it's just showing me the variables, the methods. It doesn't give me the details. It doesn't go inside the body. So it would be much simpler to look for a function or to look for a variable or something like that.
Remove first. E. Add is empty. Size. Int. Singly linked list. Size. Tail. No. Head. Singly linked list. E. Singly. Head. No.
I have a head.
Tail. No. Size. Int.
Size.
Singly linked list. Size. Int. Size. Int.
Yeah, this is a problem here. Okay. This is a size variable.
Singly linked list.
And this is a constructor.
Size. Int.
And this is size method. So you can't tell the difference actually. Unfortunately, you can't tell the difference unless the size has parameters. But if the method is non-parameterized like this, you can't tell the difference unless you click return.
Package singly. Size. Unselected. Public key first. Public boolean is empty. Return size equals 0. Public in size. Return size.
And you look that is it size, public size.
Public in size. Return size.
Public in size, return size. Of course, you know that it's a method. Just make sure that you don't press on any key because when you move from the outline to the code, the code that you are on top of will be selected. So if you press any key, it will be deleted. So make sure that you unselect before you write anything.
SWT composite. Problems.
Okay, so I think that's it. That's it for.
SWT composite.
I mean, I have just showed you how to navigate inside the code. Let's try to create a class.
Menu bar. Apple.
One. I'll go to File.
New command option. New Java
New
project. Class.
Class.
New Java class window.
I'll call it test.
CTSE.
No, I have test 1 and test 2. Okay. I'll call it something like test methods. Okay.
Singly and closing type. Singly link list and closing type name.
Just make sure
Singly package.
that it's in the singular package.
Browse and name. Test modifiers. Test methods. Insertion at beginning of text. Name. Text mod public.
This is the modifiers.
Public.
And make it public.
Abstract. Final. Unchecked. Superclass. Java.lang. Interfaces. Table.
The interfaces. If you have interfaces, you can select them here. I don't have actually.
Which method subs would you like to create? Public static void main string or which method subs would you like to create?
Okay, this is a very helpful function. You can.
Which method subs would you like to create?
Select which method subs would you like to create.
Public static void main.
You can now here check this checkbox and the public static void main method, the famous main method for testing, will be auto-inserted. So I wanted this actually. I want this.
Constructors from superclass. Inherited abstract methods. Constructors from superclass. Unchecked.
If you have constructors from superclass,
Inherited abstract methods. Checked. Do add comments. Configure template. Generate comments. Unchecked.
You can add comments from here directly instead of adding them while coding.
Cancel. Finished.
So now I don't want to do anything more. So I'll click finish.
Equals projects. Quick nav on. Quick nav off.
Okay, let's turn off quick nav now.
New line. Package singly. New public class test methods. New line. Public static void main string bars. Did you generate methods hub?
Okay, if you have seen this comment, if you found this comment under any method, that means that this method has been auto generated for you. So just to clarify that, I mean to make you tell the difference between the code that you write or the code that has been auto generated for you.
Line.
Okay, and now I will be making an object for the
GT.
Okay.
Application. Keyboard input system dialog. Arabic PC. New Arabic PC. Keyboard inputs. New keyboard layout. Arabic PC. New keyboard layout. ADC. Eclipse. Equals projects.
Okay. Sorry.
REGETN. Capi.
Okay. Yeah. I'll try to make an arrow here.
Tab S.
Just to
L, G, N, I. Tab S.
then
Greater than.
okay.
Right parenthesis.
So to put and making an arrow while you know that it's an arrow. Okay.
New line. New line.
Now I have created an arrow. I have an arrow here. So I'll have to move between the annotations. So if you want to go to the next annotation, if you have many arrows, you can go. You can press Command period.
Greater than. Selected.
I have an issue here,
Ascending linked list. Selected.
and I have another issue here,
Single line link. Selected.
and I have a third issue.
Greater than. Selected.
Okay, I wanted to make one mistake, and I have created three.
Ascending linked list. Single line link.
Okay. So if you wanna go to the previous one, you can press Command period Shift. So
Greater than.
this is
Selected.
the first one. So I will be interacting with the stable composite and the Java window and move to the unlabeled window that I have showed you from the beginning. This is an unlabeled window.
4 items. Syntax error on token. Greater than. Delete the token.
So it says me syntax error and token, delete this token. Of course, it should be unhelpful because this is Eclipse.
Ascending linked list.
Okay.
Right. Ascending linked list cannot be resolved to a type.
The next one is
Right. Ascending linked list cannot be resolved to a type.
a single index. Cannot be resolved as a type.
Single line link. Selected. Right. Single link cannot be resolved to a type.
Single index cannot be resolved as a type.
Greater than. Selected.
Okay, this is actually not the debugger or the problems tab. Actually, this is just a normal window to show you that there is no suggestion here there to fix the errors that I have. I use it normally just to see if I have any issues.
Quick
So
arrow.
this is a very simple
Quick
way.
arrow.
So I know what I have done, what the issue that I have
Right. New
done.
line. Set. Right parenthesis.
Actually,
Right parenthesis. Semicolon. New. Greater than. New line. Tab. Tab. New. Greater than. Greater than.
remove this
Greater
one.
than. New. Right. Left parenthesis. Less than. I. L. L. I. Less than. Greater than. Left parenthesis. I. L. K. N. I. L. L. G. N. I. Tab S.
Okay.
Space. Space.
Select this one.
I. N. L. L. I. N. K. L. So I. Less than. Less than. Unselected. Tab S.
Then okay. Now I have one error here. It's for the object L. This is the object of the single list class. So I'll have now to check
Toolbar.
what
Toolbar.
is
Tip of the out of toolbar.
what's the
The
problem.
value of the local variable L is not used.
Okay, this is just a warning. Actually, you can't tell from this window
Right.
if
Smart insert. 7.
it is
28.
a
1.
warning or not, but you can know that from experience. So
The value of the local variable L is not.
the value of the local variable is not used. This is of course a warning because actually
Tab on.
I haven't done anything. I just created
Quick tab off.
the variable. Sorry, the
Quick tab on.
object.
Quick tab off.
So
Out of Java. In Java.
Okay.
SWT composite.
Go back.
H singly. Quick tab on. Quick tab off. New line. Right brace. New. New line.
okay, we'll use the object that we created now,
VoiceOver unit.
which is
Quick tab on. Quick tab off.
L.
Quick tab on. Quick tab off.
Oh, sorry. Okay,
New line.
let's
Semicolon.
make sure.
Semicolon.
Yeah, that's L. And when I press in the period
Table. Row 1 of 19.
after typing L, the object, I will be represented with this window. The window contains all of the methods that I have in the linked list class. Add class, add parse, add display. These all of these are methods that I have created, but for the methods that are actually from Java, like the equal, that is below this actually, will not be this way. A window will be pop up for me to explain how I can use this function, and give me some information. So I will have to press escape, then press return to use it. Other than that, I have just to stop on top of each method and press return to use it. So let's say that I want to equals, which is a method that is from Java. Look, as I told you, our window has part of me. It says that it's gonna give me some information. So I'll press escape. But I will not use it actually. I will use add first. 1. Then press return 3 times to go to a new line. Then add last. Then add last. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will use now display to display instead of writing the system out statement. I don't have to do that because I actually have a special display method. So I will type D on this window, and I'm now in D, and I selected it. It's simple. Okay, now to run the program, I will have to press on Command Shift F11, and if you like me have a touch bar, then you will have to press FN Shift Command F11. It will be auto selected, so just hit Run or save, and we'll head to the console now. So turn off quick nav and 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is what we have typed, because I added first one, then last 2, then last 3. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And I hope that is clear for you. And I attempted to just show you the basics of if using Eclipse and get the basic idea or the main idea, so you can go ahead by yourself and use whatever you want. I didn't use like some advanced functions and some advanced features because I wanted that to be for everyone. So you can now get the main idea and go ahead and go by yourself and use Eclipse. And if I found something has like a special rule of it seems that it doesn't follow this rule, I will explain it by itself next time. But I think for now, I think that's it. So thanks you very much for your time, and have a nice day.
This AppleVis podcast has been brought to you by the community of applevis.com. For the latest in resources and tips and tricks to get you the best experience from your Apple device, visit www.applevis.com.